Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to solve a problem. This is in response to this question 9. And we want to find the maximum area of, of a fence where the amount of fence we have is 3,600 square feet. So we have 3,600 feet of fence. We want to know what is the largest area we can make with a rectangular fence. Okay, so we're going to start out by drawing it. So we're just going to draw a rectangle. Now, what makes it a rectangle is parallel sides have the same length. So if this side over here is x, this side will also have to have length x. And if this side has length y, this side would also have to have length y. And what's true, well, all of these have to total up to 3,600 feet because we want to make it as big as possible, so we want to use all the material we have, but we can't have more than 3,600 feet. So we're going to have x, this side, plus the amount of material on this side, which are both x, plus the amount of material on this side, which is y, plus the amount of material on this side, which is also y. And we get this is equal to 3,600 feet. But this is also equal to 2x plus 2y. Now what I can do is I can factor out a 2, and I get 2 times x plus y is equal to 3,600. Or we can, which is equal to 2 times 1,800. And the 2's cancel out, and I get x plus y is equal to 1,800. And I can write that as y is equal to 1,800 minus x. The reason we're going to do that is because we're having an equation with two variables. So this is going to be step 1. And step 1 is find an equation relating the two variables. Okay. Now the next thing we're going to do is, again, let's draw our picture again. We have x, we have y over here, x over here, x over here. And from the previous page, I know that y is equal to 1,800 minus x. And what we want to do is we want to maximize the area. So I'm going to write down an expression for area. The area of this is just length times width, or x times y. So this is going to be area equals x times y. But y is equal to 1,800 minus x. So this is equal to x times 1,800 minus x, which is equal to 1,800x minus x squared. Okay, so now I know I have an area formula where a of x is equal to minus x squared plus 1,800x plus 0. You're going to notice that this is a parabola facing down. We know it's facing down because of the minus sign here. So we want to know what's the biggest a we can have. Well, it's going to be the vertex of the parabola. So the vertex of the parabola is going to be given by the point x is going to be equal to negative b divided by 2a. And a general form is going to be ax squared plus b times x plus c. So we know a is equal to negative 1, and we know b is going to be 1800. So this is going to be 1800, or negative 1800, divided by negative 2, which is going to be equal to 900. Okay? So we have the x value is going to be equal to 900. So we have the x value here is going to be equal to 900. Okay? So, and that's going to be the y coordinate. Now, to find, that's going to be the x coordinate. Now, to find the y coordinate, we know that y is equal to 1800 minus x. Well, x is 900. So this is also going to be equal to 900. So we wind up with x is equal to 900 and y is equal to 900. So then the area is equal to x times y is equal to 900 times 900, which is going to give us 810,000, which is going to be 810,000 feet squared. Okay? So I hope that answers the question, and thank you very much. And if you have any other questions, just shoot me an email or make a post. Great. Thanks.